The next fighter is a 5 times Wushu medalist, knockout king in the making. Let's give it up for Shivam Kumar, representing the Stadium Ghaziabad. Let's welcome Vivek Sinha.
Oh, let's get this fight started. Last fight before we move on to the co-main and the main event. We've got Shivam in the red corner. Oh, and he's taking on Vivek Sinha in the blue corner. Oh man.
You cannot stand there and take so much of punches.
Oh,
Stop the fight otherwise. Again,
oh man. Excellent skills. पंकज जैसे मैंने बोला था किसी ने 5 time national wushu champion लिखवा रखा है. So definitely they bring in a lot of skills, and we can see it at exhibition here.
अब इसको उसे वर्कआउट करना पड़ेगा सर थोड़ा सा.
Both these guys onto their feet once again.
राउंड हाउस किक देखने को मिली है सर हम लोग को यहाँ पे. That means he actually
Shivam ने carry kick को catch and threw in a big right hand. Oh
he
man.
heard you taking his name sir. तो ये आपकी तरफ देख रहा था.
I think Vivek को यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी he has to show skills that are actually meaningful inside the cage. jumping around and throwing those flashy kicks not always helps.
व्हाट दे आर डूइंग सर, जिस तरह से जंप कर रहे हैं ना, दे आर टेकिंग ऑफ देयर गार्ड्स फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड सर, ग्राउंड
Yes.
पे तो उनको होल्ड करके रखना पड़ेगा अपने आप को.
And also wasting a bit of energy.
एग्जैक्टली.
Oh,
ओह, ये बहुत अच्छा पंच था. आई थिंक दिस वाज द बेस्ट पंच ऑफ द फाइट. Again showboating sir, showboating with the kick sir. और
showboating.
अगर बाय चांस से दूसरे आदमी ने इसको पकड़ के पंच करा तो
Referee sending the fighters to the neutral corner because of the brute strength and the nuclear energy that these fighters have brought into the cage tonight.
Absolutely.
We've had a little bit of cage malfunction.
absolutely sir.
Body kick here by Vivek. Another kick. Shivam ne catch ki or
He'll
going
take
for a
down-
single leg
कर दिया
takedown.
वहाँ पे. They have to keep working. They cannot lie down like this. Idle
They
on
have
the
to
ground.
keep working. Otherwise, the referee is going to stand them up.
A little bit of ground. Hey, back of the head, sir. Again, I think we are going to see one more.
Yeah, Shivam has locked in a rear naked choke. एक होक अंदर है, दूसरा he's not putting, but he's squeezing it hard, trying to get in a finish.
Abhi, I think it's not exactly under the chin, sir.
It looks like under the chin. थोड़ा सा, I think if
फिर से
if
adjust
he,
किया. अब
if
I
he,
think now it is
oh
under the
man, I think
Now
it's
it is
really
under the
hard.
chin. I guess
But Vivek is fighting back,
he's showing too much of heart, sir.
Yeah.
Otherwise, rear naked choke से अभी तक तो
but उसकी पूरी back नहीं थी. अब यहाँ पे क्या करना होगा शिवम को? He has to lock his
एक
feet.
आर्म से लोग लगाए सर, दूसरी आर्म फ्री है उसकी. आई थिंक से वो निकल जाएगा इस चोक से, और वो सक्सेसफुली वो जो एबल टू डिफ्लेक्ट दैट रेयर नेकेड चोक. इसी चांस से फुल माउंट करने का सर. आई थिंक
He's not utilizing the position. Oh,
व्हाट वाज दिस.
स्टैंडिंग में मारना है चल शाबाश चल मार
well, that's what happens, usually with Wushu guys and boxers. The moment they're onto their back, they just go bang.
शाबाश शाबाश बहुत बढ़िया शाबाश शाबाश बहुत बढ़िया बहुत बढ़िया
Last 10 seconds.
बार बार पकड़ सही से मार मुझे बहुत बढ़िया थाई में मार छोड़ दे जी
All right, that's it. That's the round number 1. An excellent battle between both these guys. Boxing versus kickboxing. It's always a good show to watch that.
विवेक के पास बहुत
All right, let's move on to the round number 2. We've got Shivam. Oh, charging in. Oh,
what a punch, what a punch, what a punch.
पीछे हटते हुए nice left hand by Vivek.
Oh, beautiful kick, beautiful kick.
I think यहाँ पे शिवम को finish मिल सकता है, but I think the only I don't know why he's gaining momentum and then stopping all by himself. He needs to continue that. Oh,
बहुत अच्छा स्किल सेट है सर इसका विवेक का. ही इज शोइंग सम वेरी गुड स्किल सेट. अगर एक भी पंच लगता है तो नॉकआउट होने का खतरा बना हुआ है. शुभम इज हैविंग सम प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज वो थोड़ा हाथ में प्रॉब्लम है क्या. These fighters are much concerned about what their coaching are saying, coaches are saying. I think इनका सारा concentration जो गेम में होना चाहिए सर.
Yeah, I mean, it comes after a lot of training also. But वही होता है, the moment you're fighting, you know, you either focus towards getting a win or throwing in the next strike, and it's tough synthesizing what your corner is saying. But that comes by a lot of conditioning, a lot of training, and Shivam here throwing in those punches, going in for a standing guillotine. He has it partially locked in, not fully.
मैच के इस टाइम पे गिलेटिन जाने के लिए आई थिंक इट्स नॉट अ गुड मूव बिकॉज वी आर ऑलरेडी टायर्ड.
Already tired, but I think this also works in favor because your opponent is also tired to defend. Oh, we would have seen
शो टाइम किक सर. शो टाइम किक.
Showtime. Anthony Pettis.
शो टाइम किक सर.
I really want to see that, man. I want to see the Showtime kick.
Again they're getting up. I don't know why they are not going.
Shivam looks a little bit tired, but Vivek wants to put the show in those kicks which are really, it's getting the crowd cheering. इसे कहते हैं खींच के मारना. I mean, another thing that you know, these guys have not been able to go for a submission finish is because these guys are sweaty. So they're slippery at the moment, and it's tough pulling in a submission.
Exactly sir. That's what I was talking about. Now जिस तरह से फाइट जा रही है, they've exhausted a lot of energy. Plus they're sweating too much. गिलेटिन या किसी भी तरह का जो है चोक लगाना is not easy. He just tapped out to Anaconda.